How do you assess the credibility of the Blue Ribbon hearings?
Alam mo, malaki ang belief ko kay Senator Ping Lacson. Pero nung siya'y naging chairman ng Blue Ribbon, parati niya sinasabi, I will follow where the evidence would lead me. Perfect example, nandun na sila, ba't hindi natanong? Tapos, bakit hindi tinatawag si DBM? Hindi ba yung sinabi ko dati, sa tingin ko dito sa show mo rin, yung paper trail, money trail, DBM lahat yan eh. Bakit hindi tinatawag si Secretary Pangandaman? Bakit biglang umalis? Wala na tayong narinig. Si ES, bakit umalis?
Hindi na patawag
diba?
si ES.
Si DPWH, bumalik na, pero hindi rin tinatanong. So ang akin, may sacred cows bang pinoprotektahan si Senator Ping Lacson? Kasi hindi siya dati ganyan. Na hindi ko maintindihan bakit umiiba yung landas ng pagtatanong niya at kuminsan siya pa ang sumasagot dun mismo sa tinanungan niya. So nakakalungkot dahil supposedly ang Senado credible eh. Dun sa ICI kasi, ang problema natin dyan, iisa na lang ang member. Hindi natin alam kung tapos na ba, may report na ba kayo? Oo, nag-submit kayo ng mga recommendation for cases, pero kahit yung as you put it, yung testimony ni Speaker Martin was not made public. That of Congressman Marcos was also not made public. If you really want to ferret the truth, and these two people are very, very important in the scheme of the flood control program.
Kaya ngayon, nagbabago-bago. So you think may basihan itong mga sinasabi na mapalit ng new SP, and will that also be detrimental for the institution of the Senate?
Alam mo, Attorney Jimeno, nagugulat kasi ako kay Senate President eh. He used to be a very calm leader, very inclusive, di ba? When he was Senate President. Today, he's like leading the pack to attack whatever. So that is not leadership, no? You have to balance certain things. You have to balance your interest and the interest of the 23 Republic. If you cannot do that, there will always be the threat to remove you.
So, you're not discounting that possibility.
Every Senate President dreams to finish his term as Senate President, but the reality and the tradition is that one day you will wake up, I'm no longer Senate President, and that's a reality.